Yeah? Well, we're not doing nothing, man. We're just at our house. Just have fun in Mexico. Don't worry about it. Nobody's driving your truck. It's probably parked somewhere. Alright, man. Alright. Take care. Salute to my dad. Alright, peace out. Man, so won't stop calling me. Eddie! Really? You think that we're driving this truck? That's why I'm drinking, I ain't driving.
So what? Is this all we're gonna do? Just drink?
I guess.
There ain't nothing else to do? Oh.
I got a whole lot of money, bitches count it for me. Bottle keep popping that water bad whole jacket. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. My partner on the pill, my other partner drunk. Roll up the line, I'm tryna get fucked up. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. I stepped in the club, rolling up that loud shit. My weed keep your security said be quiet. My breath is started.
I wonder how fast I can go. Woo! Yeah! 50, 60, 70. All right, get a close up, get a close up. 80, almost. Woo! Ay, ay, ay!
Start a riot, the girls get excited. Hold on, wanna try it? I'm like, why not try it? My sweat they wanna buy it, my juice they wanna try it. Club going stupid when I they do it. Jury gotta chew, jugging and she moving. Grocery dealing, nigga who you killing? Bro, 2 years ago, now I'm worth $1 million. Jackson to the ceiling, that's how we ballin'. You know that I'm rolling through another beat. Now I'm off the meter in the club with the heat. I got a whole lot of money, bitches count it for me. Bottle keep popping that water bad whole jacket. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. My partner on the pill, my other partner drunk. Roll up the line, I'm tryna get fucked up. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party.
A party ain't a party till I walk in it. Lime green flag, master fitted in the linen. Gucci shades over my face and my lens kinda tinted. Cause my eyes real low and my head just starts spinning. I'm rolling like a motherfucker, like a roll out in this motherfucker. I'm a Roscoe Dash shit, I'm about to show out in this motherfucker. My jury game on frost, about to snow out in this motherfucker. Hey Flocker, get them ball, let's pour out in this motherfucker. Hey motherfucker, what the hell is you poppin' for? Run up on me in my sport, now that shouldn't be an option. So somebody better let him know. I suggest that you let it go. This a gross free party, fake niggas hit the exit door. Got it.
Take Eddie's car. Wait a minute. Where? Cord probably took the damn keys. Cord! Cord, where are you? Do you have Eddie's keys?
Yeah, they're right here.
Oh, what are you doing?
I'm about to go get some bitches and go to the club. You wanna go?
Hell yeah!
Let's go.
Come on, Chiva, let's go.
What time is it?
Movie time! Woo!
Broadcasting live from Chilicman, Oregon, to be exact. Lamoille Casino. And just to let you know, Eddie, we brought along your pickup. Woo!
And guess who's driving? Guess who's driving? Guess who's driving? Guess who's driving? That's right.
Yep, you got it right, Eddie. Marcy's driving. So,
Turn it.
Do these keys look familiar?
these keys look familiar right here, but oh yeah, just to let you know, your check engine light's on. So, you might want to get that checked out when you get back into the country. But anyways, have a blast in Mexico. We miss you. Bye.
I got a whole lot of money. Bitches count it for me. Lotto keep popping that water bad whole jacket. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. My partner on the pill, my other partner drunk. Roll up the line.
I say you put this away and you leave the property, okay?
No, you said if we don't drink it, right?
There's no drinking alcohol in
Okay.
here. You have to put that away.
But if we stop drinking it,
no,
do we
you're
still
gonna
have
have
to
to
leave?
leave because you've been drinking.
We're not drinking it anymore.
I'm
Everybody
telling
has
you, you're
empty.
gonna have to.
Hold that thought.
I'm holding on. Hey, this is not a presumption for me. I'm telling you exactly what has to be done. You cannot drink alcohol on property. I suggest you put
On
it
property,
away.
but we can drink it in there.
This is property.
It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. My partner on the pill, my other partner drunk. Roll up the line, I'm tryna get fucked up. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. Rolling out the lean, you can do the lean. Blowing on that loud.
Marcy, we're gonna do some push-ups.
All right, we got Marcy right here does the push-ups. CrossFit did not work out, so we're over here in Chillicothe right now, and she's gonna do a wine bong
Hope that
on
guy's not
Eddie
here.
Toro's truck.
Bring it, bring it.
All
All right. This is for 650541 Beckton Avenue.
All right, hold up. Let me get the name of what we're sipping on. Sunset Blush. All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I'm not a part of this. I plead the fifth. Security guards.
Bam.
That just happened.
You can do the lean. Blowing on that loud.
You got to puke? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, puke on Eddie's back seat. You ready to roll?
20 on my right wrist, 30 on my left wrist, 100 on my neck, I die for my respect. 20 fucking 10, I'ma blow the whole check. In the club flex, after party flex. You know how we ball, all I know is ball. Every dollar in my pocket, I'ma spend it all.
I'm